Hello children, this is grade 10 biology and today's topic is excretion, which is a part of first chapter life process. So let us learn excretion in human beings. Excretion is a process where all metabolic waste are removed from the body. Most of the unicellular organisms eliminate waste from their body through diffusion. Different organisms follow different modes of excretion. Humans have a specialized system for excretion called human excretory system. The human excretory system includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Kidneys are bean-shaped structures located on either side of the backbone. They have functional units called the nephrons. Nephrons have two parts, that is glomerulus and renal tubule. Glomerulus consists of a bunch of capillaries. The renal tubule starts with a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule. Next to the glomerulus, a highly coiled convoluted tubule is present. Convoluted tubule further extends as the Henle's loop. The convoluted tubule opens into collecting duct. All the collecting ducts together unite to form the ureter. Ureter is the muscular tube that comes out of each kidney, which carries urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Glomerulus filters the blood, whereas in convoluted tubule and collecting ducts, glucose, amino acids, salts and a major amount of water is reabsorbed. The urinary bladder is stretched and gets filled with the urine formed in the nephrons and is expelled out of the body. Sometimes under strenuous or sometimes under certain circumstances such as poor blood flow to the kidneys or infections or injuries, the kidneys fail to perform their function. In such a situation, artificial kidneys are used for blood filtration and this process is called as dialysis. Dialysis is the process of filtering and purifying the blood with the help of a machine. In this process, blood of the patient is allowed to pass through the tubes dipped in a tank containing dialyzing solution. The waste substance diffuses out of the blood into the tank and the cleansed blood is returned back into the patient.